Hey guys, and welcome to this plan with me. I'm going to show you how I use my Erin Condren horizontal planner to keep my life organized and to keep me from forgetting things. If you're new here, my name is Angie and I talk about all things life improved. So stick with me. We're going to make this planner look a little prettier, and then I'm going to show you how I fill it up. So what I just did there was I used this little dollar store whiteout to cover up those blue lines, because I'm going to put some washi tape and some stickers down, and some of them are kind of see-through. I'm going to be using these two little washi tapes from Dollar Tree. I think you get a pack of 7 for $1. I'm going to be using these stickers from the Erin Condren Fall Surprise box. And then I bought some glitter paper at the Dollar Tree and I just cut it down into strips. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add these pretty little decorations. Okay, so a couple of disclaimers. Number one, I do white space planning, which means I write a lot on just the white part and I don't put a ton of stickers in there. Number two, I'm not incredibly crafty, so if you look closely, my cuts aren't straight, things go a little downhill. It's okay, it doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, do better in your planner. And I forgot, I also used up here out of my Happy Planner washi, and it is a little short, but that's okay. I'll cover it up with something here in a little bit. So that's the basics. I like to just lay down my pretties. And then next up, I have a list at the front of my planner of daily tasks, things that I do, on Monday, things that I do on Tuesday. So my next step is I go to that daily list, and I transfer all my daily tasks into the week. Now, do I pretty much have them memorized at this point? Yes, I do, but it still helps me to see it on here as like, okay, this is what I have to do today. Keeps me on track. And if for some reason I can't clean the bathroom on Tuesday, it's a mental note when next Tuesday rolls around that, dude, you have to clean the bathroom. You've not cleaned it in 2 weeks. So I'm going to pick some pen colors, and then I'm going to fill these in. So here's my planner with my daily non-negotiable tasks. On Monday, that's when I check in with my nutrition clients and they check in with me. Once I get done with that video, I'll put their names in here, but I'm just kind of trying to be private here. I typically go to the post office and ship off Poshmark or Mercari stuff. And then I like to run to Goodwill. That doesn't always happen because my Mondays can be busy, but I like to run to Goodwill on Mondays. Tuesdays, I brush the dog, because if I don't literally write it down, I forget, and he's a shedding hairy monster. We are getting out of debt, and on Tuesdays, I do my credit card update. I'll show you that sometime. Laundry, Tuesday, I'm home a little bit more, so I really try to get all the laundry done on Tuesday. YouTube, I try to post on Tuesday, so YouTube post, and I clean the bathroom on Tuesday. Wednesdays, that's when I sit down and I put a monthly quote into our software system for our athletes. It's a little thing, but it's, again, if I don't write it down, I forget to do it. And then on Wednesdays, I'll also spend time working on my monthly goals. And I'll do a video on those at some point in time also. Wednesday's fairly light. Thursdays, I'm typically off. So again, I brush the dog, I vacuum, I publish on Tuesdays if everything's going well. I work on our CrossFit Murray website. And then MIA means I touch base with any athletes that we haven't seen this week just to check in, make sure they're okay. On Friday, again, because it's a simple thing, but I make myself schedule 2 posts for CrossFit Murray. That way, if life gets busy, at least something's going up. I work on our finances on Friday, so I pay bill. I call it Finance Friday. I pay bills, I check our bank accounts, and then I also do some work on Instagram for our business. Again, I like posts, I follow people. Saturday, I have personal training clients that I work with, so on Saturdays I plan what they're doing for the coming week. I work in YouTube, and I brush the dog, and then on Sunday, I restock my vitamins. I do this, so I have a planner in there. It's my second laundry day of the week. YouTube, film, and edit gets worked on Sunday, and then I go in and I put another quote in Wodify. So those are my daily tasks. Now, I don't put dishes in there. Clearly, that has to be done. These are just things that I know that I have to do or I will forget, and they're kind of important. The next thing I do once I've done all this is I go through and I lay out any specific appointments that I have this week. So that's coming up next. So this week's a pretty light week. I don't have a lot of appointments, a lot of time critical things, but on Monday I do have a personal training client, and I'll put her name out here. The gas company is coming sometime between 8 and 11 to turn on the gas at the gym. At 8:45 on Wednesday I have a personal training appointment. On Thursday, typically my day off, but I'm covering one of our coaches. Friday I have a couple of personal training appointments. Then on Saturday we're going to my mother-in-law's. And then on Sunday, we're having Thanksgiving at my mom's house. So I kind of use the daily tasks in this area. The appointments go in the middle. And then as things come up, I just add more to-dos or more things that have to get taken care of. So I'm almost done. And I know for some of you that plan and you have no white space, this looks crazy, but for me, this is just about right. So the last thing I'm going to do is down here, I use this section for projects of the week, things I need to remember to pick up, just little reminders that don't have a specific date, but just, hey, lady, don't forget. So I didn't really add a lot there. I did add, this is just a reminder of something I have to check on. And then I remembered that on Tuesday, I have to go to the local screen printing store to pick up some samples. And so I'm almost done. I was going to review with you guys what I used today. So I used the Dollar Tree washi. Again, I think you get 7 of them for $1. It's a great deal. I mean, I guess if you're like a super picky person, it may not be fancy enough, but it works for me. I used this Happy Planner book. I also used this Happy Planner sticker book. I used the Erin Condren stickers that I got in the fall surprise box. I think that's it. I am going to add one more thing that I think is fairly important. I'm going to cover up the Monday. And remember, I told you I didn't mind that didn't go all the way because I was going to put something there. So this sticker's kind of ginormous. So I'm going to put it here. It's not 100% straight, but I can live with it. And actually, watch, it's going to make a huge mess. Yep, I'm living with it. And I'm even going to let it dangle down, cover up Tuesday just a little bit. I'm going to cut it off so it's not completely dangling, but I'm not going to get too picky. It's probably not straight. Not straight at all. Go me. Nah. That's atrocious. Should have planned that one better. But the reason that I put that down is because, one, happy life. It is my and my husband's 24-year anniversary on Monday. So that is fairly special to us. And since I took out the Monday and the 12, I'll put a date sticker on there that it's 12. That is killing me. Killing me that I got that so crooked. I thought I was going to get it right by luck, but no. Probably going to make it worse. God, it's worse. It's so much worse. Oh, geez, guys. That's why I don't share my planner with people, because I do things like that. But anyway, this is my weekly spread. I may go through and just add a few decorative stickers just to make it a little fancier and maybe try to figure out a way to hide that atrocity. So you guys stay strong. Have a great week. I'll see y'all later. Bye.